Hey everyone, John Krasinski here, and let's talk about something awesome. AliExpress in Pakistan. Ever wanted access to a huge variety of products at crazy good prices? That's AliExpress. Think of it like a giant online marketplace with sellers from all over the world, ready to ship their stuff right to your doorstep in Pakistan. Now you might be thinking, John, is this too good to be true? I get it. But trust me, AliExpress is legit. It's been around for years and has millions of happy shoppers worldwide, including right here in Pakistan. So buckle up, because we're about to dive into the world of AliExpress and see how you can join the fun. Okay, so how do you get started with AliExpress in Pakistan? It's super easy, folks. First, head over to the AliExpress website or download their app. You can browse without an account, but having one makes buying things a breeze. Signing up is a piece of cake. Just enter your email address, create a password, and boom, you're in. Now you can browse millions of products, from electronics and fashion to home goods and beauty products. See something you like? Add it to your cart. Once you're ready to check out, AliExpress gives you a bunch of payment options that work great in Pakistan, like bank transfers and even Easy Paisa. They'll show you the total cost, including shipping, so there are no surprises. Click that order button and get ready for some awesome stuff to arrive at your door. Now, let's talk numbers. AliExpress is huge, and it's only getting bigger in Pakistan. Millions of Pakistanis are already using it to find amazing deals. Why? Because it's reliable. AliExpress has a buyer protection program, so you're covered if anything goes wrong with your order. Plus, you can read reviews from other shoppers, just like you, to see what they thought about the product and the seller. It's like having a friend tell you what's good and what's not. With AliExpress, you can shop with confidence, knowing you're getting a great deal on quality products. Section 4. Pakistani shopper tips, payments, and shipping made simple. Okay, let's get specific for my Pakistani friends. When it comes to paying on AliExpress, you've got options. You can use your local debit or credit cards, make a bank transfer, or even use Easy Paisa. It's all about what's easiest for you. Shipping times can vary, but AliExpress gives you estimated delivery dates right on the product page. And hey, if you're in a hurry, you can even choose faster shipping options for a little extra. Just remember, good things come to those who wait, and with AliExpress's prices, it's definitely worth the wait. Section 5, AliExpress, your new best friend for online shopping in Pakistan. So there you have it, folks. AliExpress is a game changer for online shopping in Pakistan. It's easy to use, has amazing prices, and gives you access to millions of products you might not find anywhere else. Whether you're looking for the latest gadgets, stylish clothes, or unique home decor, AliExpress has got you covered. So what are you waiting for? Jump on the AliExpress bandwagon and see what all the fuss is about. You won't regret it. And hey, if you find any awesome deals, let me know. Happy shopping, everyone.